boys have landed in Santiago. We picked up the fresh whip. Roof rack conversion system. I got faith.
We'll friggin' shank you if you're mean to us. Okay, give me some tape, please.
Let's get this kayak on the roof.
Let's go, it looks so good. Ow! She might be a little low, but we're rocking up for our first Palguín. We're back! Closer, yeah. Let's go! Further left. Oh, that was so sick, bro! I think I went too far left. Fucking hard. Yeah, it seems like it.
We commit to it, but you cannot go too fast.
I saw you went like kind of slower at the lip.
Yeah, you gotta find enough time to put the shoulders down.
Yeah. We got this shit, boy!
Dude, that one doesn't hurt.
you.